If you've come across Bullgamb, Wesobet, or Gexcas online, you're probably wondering one thing. Are these platforms actually legit, or are they just another scam? Let's take a quick look. First, Bullgamb. At first glance, the website may look professional. It promises an easy experience and attractive features, but that's not enough to prove it's trustworthy. Before signing up or sending any money, check if the company clearly lists its contact details, ownership information, and security measures. If that information is missing or hard to find, that's a warning sign. Next is Wesobet. Like many newer platforms, it makes big claims that can catch your attention. But remember, flashy promises don't always mean a reliable service. Look for genuine customer reviews from different sources, not just testimonials on the website itself. If most reviews are negative or you can't find much information at all, it's better to stay cautious. Finally, Gexcas. This platform also raises a few questions. If a website offers deals that seem too good to be true, take a step back. Check the domain age, refund policies, and whether the company has a real online presence. Scammers often hide important details or make it difficult to contact support. So, what's the quick verdict? At the moment, I wouldn't rush into using Bullgamb, Wesobet, or Gexcas without doing extra research first. None of these platforms should be trusted simply because they look convincing. Always verify the facts before sharing personal information or making a payment.